Welcome to Week 8, Term 3 Spelling Words. Now, in the last couple of videos, you guys have complained that I didn't crash, so I thought I'd do something a little different and crash a lot. Enjoy. Now, our first word is awareness. Now, awareness is being aware of something or noticing something. If you are aware, then you know that something is happening. You should have an awareness of the area around you. The complete opposite of that. Now, beneficial means that it has benefit. It is good for someone or something. It might be beneficial to the environment, it might be beneficial to yourself, or it even might be beneficial to a panel beater. Now, our next word is advancements. Now, advancements means to advance or to go forward. For instance, you could have an advancement in your pocket money. You could have advancements in the field of medicine or advancements in the field of technology or car durability. There are lots of different advancements, which means improvements. Now, our next word is extraction. Extraction means to extract or to take out. So you might have a tooth extracted or a tooth extraction, which means they've taken the tooth out of your mouth. You can extract things from the ground. There are companies that their profession is to extract iron ore from the ground or gold from the ground. You could extract meaning from things that other people have said. You could extract many things. It's taking something out of something else. Now, restrictions. We hear a lot about restrictions at the moment. It is restricting something or stopping something from happening. Restrictions sound like a negative thing, but they're often a positive thing. You restrict yourself in the things you eat. You restrict yourself from the dangers that you might put yourself into. For instance, you might restrict yourself to driving on the road instead of off the road, because if you drive off the road, sometimes you might get hurt. Restrictions are put in place usually to keep people safe and healthy. And at the moment, the restrictions, although they might seem harsh, they are put in place for us to stay safe and to stay healthy and to make sure that everyone gets better. Estimation is a guess, not just any guess, it's an educated guess. It's taking all of the information given to you and trying to work out the possible outcome. For instance, I'm estimating that I'm going too fast to go around this corner. And apparently I was right. Viable. Now, viable means that it's capable of working. It can work. It is viable. It is possible. Some things are not viable, which means that it's just not a plausible or possible thing that's going to happen. It's not a viable thing. So saving all of your money might not be viable. You might need to spend some of it. For instance, in the case of smash repairs. Now, the word obtained comes from the word obtain. Now, you're probably hoping that I just tell you what that means, but it is one of those words that you need to look up in a dictionary. So, I'm not going to crash. Look up the word in a dictionary. Your next word is convert, which is another one that you need to look up. Now, I'm not going to tell you what the word decline means. All I'm going to give you is a very unsatisfying end to a car falling out of the sky. But I will tell you what deteriorate means, because that's your next word. Deteriorate means to fall apart, usually over time. There are lots of things that deteriorate. Material deteriorates, plastic and rubber deteriorate. Sometimes it might deteriorate because of the weather. For instance, sunshine tends to deteriorate plastic. Walls tend to deteriorate cars. You might hear of relationships between countries deteriorating, or relationships between friends deteriorating, which means that it's just getting worse over time. Now, there might be lots of reasons for deterioration, or it could be a combination of different things. Combination comes from the word combine, which is to join multiple things together. For instance, a piano and a van. Not a very good combination. Much prefer coffee and chocolate, to be perfectly honest. The last word you need to look up, first bonus word, is advantageous. Now, I'm not going to tell you what it means, obviously, and I'm not even going to finish this crash. You need to look up the word in a dictionary. Your last bonus word is entrepreneur. Now, I've saved the best crash for last, in my opinion. An entrepreneur is someone who is a very savvy business person. They might come up with a really, really good idea to make some money. They might make a lemonade stand or start making toys to sell. It is a person who has a business idea and uses it to make money, to grow their business, to maybe even help other people out. And that's what an entrepreneur is. Now, you guys might become entrepreneurs one day. You might have a fantastic business idea and make a really, really successful business. Now, the only problem at the moment is you're probably not even listening to me. You're watching that crash. So that's all the words. I'm going to leave you with that and a couple of tyres on fire rolling down the street. I hope you have a fantastic week. We'll try and do some more words in a fun way next week. Otherwise, stay safe and have a good week and try and do something fun for yourself. Bye.